Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Odyssey check engine light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Locate your battery under the hood. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal for at least 15 minutes. This can clear minor error codes. Reconnect the terminal securely afterward. If the battery reset doesn't work, an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner is your next step. Locate the diagnostic port, usually under the driver's side dashboard. Plug in the scanner, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Follow the scanner's instructions to read the codes, then select the option to clear them. This provides a more targeted reset. Remember, resetting the light without fixing the underlying problem means it will likely return. Common culprits include a loose gas cap, which is an easy fix. Other issues might involve a faulty oxygen sensor, worn spark plugs, or even a catalytic converter problem. Always diagnose the code first to understand what needs attention before simply clearing it. After resetting, drive your Honda Odyssey for a few days, completing several drive cycles. This allows the vehicle's computer to relearn and confirm the issue is resolved. If the light reappears, a deeper diagnostic is needed. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and filter replacements, can prevent many common problems. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.